Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 clever organization ideas and storage hacks to help organize those trouble areas around your home. I love finding unique organizers that really help make organizing easier and make your organization around your home last. So I hope you guys can find some ideas in this video that you can apply to your home as well. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to NEIWAI for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you the most gorgeous loungewear and the best bras that you will never want to take off. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it.
I'm Kristen, interior designer and home decor expert. I'm sharing all of my designer tips and tricks with you to help transform your house into the home of your dreams through DIY projects, affordable home decor, styling tips, and home organization. If I can do it, you can too. Let's make our homes look and feel their best. Now, the one area I struggle with the most when it comes to kitchen organization is underneath the sink. It's piled with all the essential products that I need, and I really do not look forward to sticking my arm way in at the back to reach what I'm looking for. So I'm going to be using this under sink caddy. This caddy is actually on wheels, so you can slide it in and out super easy. It also comes in 2 different sizes, so you can get the size that works for your space. I love that it comes with a little basket add-on at the front for easy access. All of the little compartments are adjustable, so again, you can customize it to exactly how you want to use it. I'm putting in my garbage bags and all the cleaning products I use on a daily basis. This way I can get at everything I need in seconds. So you can do a single caddy like this underneath your sink, or you can add a double one. This fits perfectly in my small space and it makes getting at the back of my cabinet so much easier. I no longer have to struggle and reach through everything. I can roll out my caddy and reach for all my products easily. So if you've been meaning to organize underneath your sink, maybe this caddy is exactly what you need to really make your space more functional. If you have cabinets around your home filled with cleaning supplies, you can clear out that space and actually start using your cabinet door or even any door around your home to store those supplies. I'm using these 3M Command spray bottle hooks to create a vertical storage opportunity on the back of my door. This is now going to clear up space in my cabinets and create a new storage opportunity. These are renter friendly, they're super strong, and this creates such a tidy and neat organizational opportunity. These come in little sets of 2, so you can add or take away as many as you need. I love that this is very visual. You can see all the supplies that you have. Nothing's hidden, but it is hidden behind a door. So it makes it really easy to grab what you're looking for and close that door to create an organized, tidy looking home. This now gives you a spot for everything, and everything has its own home. Something I reach for underneath the cabinet every day is dishwasher pods, and they're always put away in this bulky container, and I think there's an easier, more visual way of doing this. I'm going to be, again, using the back of this cabinet door to create another vertical storage opportunity. I'm using another 3M Command product. This is a little hanging clear bin that you can stick on the back of the door and create a vertical storage opportunity. This bin is really supposed to be used for spices, but it's small enough to be able to hold the dishwasher pods. This little bin is completely removable, so you can move it around, use it as you need it, but I think this really creates a functional kitchen. You can reach for those dishwasher pods in seconds, find exactly what you're looking for, and you don't need to be digging through your cabinets anymore. Now, you can use these bins all over your kitchen to hold anything that you reach for on a daily basis. Maybe that's coffee pods, pens, sponges. These stick-on storage bins are perfect for small items. I love finding really unique fridge organizers, things that really help clear up space and keep the fridge looking organized and tidy. So this organization idea is specific for Greek yogurt. If you have Greek yogurt containers that are this size, you can actually hang them using these yogurt organizers. These are going to help you save space and keep your fridge organized. You can install them to a shelf or the side of your fridge using the adhesive that they come with. with. These stick right underneath the top shelf or right on the side of your fridge, and you can hang your yogurt. This now makes the fridge feel like a store. It creates an experience. It really looks organized, and it's actually really fun to take these in and out. So each of these organizers holds 4 yogurts, so you can use as many as you need for your family. This now gives you more valuable storage space in your fridge to hold everything else you need. Anytime you can use surfaces that already exist around your home to create new storage opportunities, you definitely need to. Let me know down below in the comments if you could use these yogurt organizers in your fridge. Now, when it comes to closet organization, it's really hard to keep things organized and tidy if you only have one single rod in your closet. There's all of this extra room at the bottom of the closet that's not being used, and we can now take advantage of that extra space using this double hanging rod system. This is an adjustable closet rod that actually hangs off of your main closet rod. This is now going to create a separate hanging rod underneath, and this is going to double your storage space. This is totally adjustable, so you can adjust it in width and in length to suit your closet. This is totally renter friendly since it is a removable system, but it creates so much more usable space in your small closet. I love hanging my shirts on top, my pants underneath, and it really just makes the closet feel instantly organized. I wish I knew about this rod sooner because this is game changing. This makes it so much easier to find exactly what I'm looking for and makes my closet look and feel so much more organized. I know single closet rods are super common, so let me know down below in the comments if this is something that you absolutely need for your small closet. Now I'm going to take this simple closet organization even further by minimizing the amount of hangers hanging on the rod. This is going to give us more space in the closet by using these hanging hooks. These slip right on top of your existing hangers, and this is going to allow you to group together outfits and sets and similar items all on one hook. You can put these on all of your hangers across your closet so that you can minimize the amount of hangers hanging on that rod. I love that it keeps outfits organized, it keeps similar items like t-shirts organized and all in one place. You can even do this with your jeans. So I'm minimizing 12 hangers on my rod down to 4 by using these hanging hooks. So if your closet's been feeling really full, you've already donated what you can, and you're still left with minimal space, try using these little hanging hooks. Trust me, your closet will feel so much bigger. These are 2 of my favorite sets from NEIWAI. I love wearing matching pajamas and loungewear sets, so thank you so much to NEIWAI for sponsoring today's video. I get some of the best loungewear, best pajamas, and the most comfortable bras from NEIWAI. These are the Lyocell pajamas. They're super comfortable, lightweight, and perfect for the spring. These pajamas make me feel so elegant in my home. I look forward to waking up in them and going to sleep in them. It's so fitting that NEIWAI actually means inside and out, because the comfort of these, the style of them is just perfect and makes you feel good all around. I'm wearing the Lyocell camisole. This has adjustable straps, so it fits perfectly. I love to tuck it in and make it look like a little romper with these straight leg pants. It also has a little matching robe, and I just love the length and arm length of this robe. And of course, underneath, I'm wearing my very favorite bra, the Barely Zero bra in Red Berry. This is actually their 10th anniversary color. It's so pretty. If you guys are looking for the most comfortable bra that you will never want to take off, you need to check out Barely Zero bras. They literally feel like you're wearing nothing at all, and I actually prefer to wear this than nothing at all. It's supportive, it's comfortable, and it's actually a your size is the size bra. So if you have a bra size between 30 and 40 inches and a cup size between an A and double D, this bra will fit you. I have NEIWAI's Barely Zero bra in pretty much every color, and and it's the first thing I put on every single day. So trust me, if you're looking for a bra that you just don't want to rip off as soon as you get home, this is just for you. All of NEIWAI's products are made to live in. They're stuff that you want to wear all day long. These are actually my laid back ribbed pajamas, and I love this matching monochromatic set. It looks cute enough to wear out of the house, but it's actually pajamas. So I love working from home in something like this. It makes me feel put together, but it's super comfortable. I can also throw a jean jacket on and walk out of the house and feel put together. So I love that it's such a versatile set. I can throw it on with the matching cardigan and lounge for the rest of the day. So I could not recommend NEIWAI more. I am such a fan. You guys can get 25% off your first NEIWAI order using my code KM25. I'll leave the link to that down below in the description box so you guys can shop as well. Now, something that I think tends to be forgotten about is the look of messy cords. Cords laying around your kitchen, on appliances, maybe lighting around your home. I have a lot of ring lights around my home and the cords tend to look really messy, laying all over the floor. So one easy way of solving this is with these cord wrappers. This little puck size accessory really just tidies up the look of your home. It has a little peel and stick backing, so it's very easy to install. The little ridges around really hold an entire cord inside, so you can unwrap and wrap up your cords to make your space look tidy and organized. This is going to make storing any small appliances a lot easier as well, and nothing gets tangled. So it's a really clever small thing that you can add to your home just to make it look and feel that much more organized.
Alright, so that's it for today's organizing. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these organization ideas do you absolutely need to apply to your home. And if you're looking for even more home organization ideas, I'll link my home organization playlist down below in the description box. I'm sure you'll find exactly what you're looking for. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!